Hello guys, this is Divesh and today we are started to going with kidney. There are two kidneys in human being and the color of kidney is reddish brown color. You may see the triangular shape like structure present on the kidney. This is adrenal gland which is present on the kidney as like a cap. Okay. After that we are going with the structure of kidney. The structure of kidney is like bean shape. You may see the bean shape. Bean, you may search from the Google or any app. Bean is a vegetable. Bean or rajma like structure of the kidney. The work of the kidney is filters the blood from excessive waste material like urea, creatinine, etc. It receives the blood from renal artery and supplies the blood from inferior vena cava to the heart. Okay. After that, kidney receives the blood from renal artery, which is piercing at the renal hilum. Okay, renal hilum. I will show you where is renal hilum. Before that, you may see the inferior vena cava or renal vein is attached with inferior vena cava, from where it receives the deoxygenated blood and purified blood to the heart. Okay. And the excessive waste material and removal of excessive water to the urinary bladder as urine. Urine is collected in the urinary bladder. If it is filled with urine as half, after that the stretch receptor will make force in the urinary bladder. After that the urethral sphincter is open and the urine is passed from the urethra, from urethral meatus. It is the male structure and it is also present in the female, but the penile structure is absent in the female. Okay. And the prostate is also absent in the female. After that, we know the location of the kidney. The location of the kidney is present in last thoracic vertebra to L3, L4, means that lumbar third, lumbar fourth structure. This is vertebra. Okay. After that, we know the accuracy of structure present in the human body. Okay. We see the internal structure of the kidney. However, I told you the renal capsule. The renal capsule is the outer layer of the kidney. Okay, it is made up of fiber. It is also known as fibrous capsule. After that, we see the inferior of the kidney is renal cortex. It is bulk-like structure. Mean that in an orange, the outer structure of the orange is like orange color, and the whitish color of the bulk is cortex. Yeah, and the parts of orange is known as medulla. It is conceptual, not is ethical or anything else. It is not anatomically proven. Okay, there is many medullas, as approx 6 to 8 medullas in the kidney, and each of the medulla have many nephrons, lakhs of nephrons. Yeah, nephrons is a structure which filters the blood and removal of excessive waste material from them. Okay. You may see the renal medulla. It is triangular shape like structure and attached with major and minor calyces. This is minor calyces. I will show you later. Yeah. Renal papilla. Renal papilla is a structure which is present at the tip of the triangular shape like structure which is medulla. Renal papilla. After that, renal pyramid, I will told you pyramid like structure mean that triangular shape like structure. After that, you may see the renal columns. Renal columns or columns of Bertini, which is present between the two medulla, two renal medulla. The shape, the distance or the gap between the renal medulla is called renal column or column of Bertini. Okay. You may see the minor and major calyx, what I told you in the past. This is minor calyx which is attached with renal papilla. Renal papilla. Renal papilla transfers the excessive waste material to the minor calyx or the minor calyx. Minor calyx transfers the blood to major calyx. It is the broad structure which continues with the minor calyx. It is of 2 to 3. It connects 2 to 3 minor calyx. Okay. After that, there are many major calyx because of many medulla present in the kidney. Okay. So the broad structure is also may present after the major calyx. This is called renal pelvis. Okay. Renal pelvis is the structure where all the major calyx join and collects the blood from whole kidney to the ureter. Okay. Ureter is the passage between the urinary bladder or kidney. Ureter helps to receive the blood to receives the urine to the urinary bladder from the kidney. Okay. This is the structure of kidney in the body. Okay. I leave the part of the kidney which is hilum. Hilum is the part at there all the blood vessel, mean that renal vein, renal artery, ureter, piercing the kidney through them. Okay. Now we are started with the internal structure of the kidney. You know, this is kidney and this is renal medulla. Renal medulla have many types of nephron. Okay. And it is lakhs in number in each medulla. Okay. Cortical nephron or juxtamedullary nephron also may present. Nephrons has two types, mean that cortical nephron and juxtamedullary nephron. Okay. So we are going with the structure of nephron. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. Nephron have many parts like Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is a strain-like structure, mean that you may strain the tea from strainer and the tea particles is stuck in the kidney, mean that tea particles is stuck in the strainer and the liquid particles strained to the glass like that. It functions like that. Okay. So the Bowman's capsule work as strainer. After that, this tubular structure, which is turned again and again, it is PCT. After that, loop of Henle is present, descending loop of Henle, which is downward to the PCT, mean that proximal convoluted tubule. I will explain in next video. You may know the briefly in this video. Loop of Henle has two parts, descending loop of Henle, and that is ascending loop of Henle. After that, DCT, distal convoluted tubule, and distal convoluted tubule receives the unfiltered blood or filtered urine to the collecting duct. Collecting from the collecting duct, it receives the urine and it will share to the minor calyx, mean that minor calyx, and then it is transfers to the major calyx, then renal pelvis, and then ureter, and then urinary bladder. After that, the urethra, and it comes from the body. Okay. This is the function of the kidney, how a kidney works, and how kidney filters the blood and it makes the urine. Now we are going with a kidney. Kidneys efficiently work, and how much duration, and if a kidney regular works, then how much blood is filtered by the kidney and how much urine is made from the kidney. One question I will give you, and all answers I will tell you in the video at last. Yes. So the kidney is reddish brown in color. Sorry. The question is that why right side of kidney is downward from the left side of kidney positioning. Okay, the answer in this photo is present. Okay, after that we will learn forward. Yeah, any query you may comment, and any doubt if present in the any student, so you may comment or DM to my Instagram. So a kidney if efficiently works, then a kidney filters 180 liters blood in a day. 180 liters. Yeah, 180 liters. And 125 ml per minute. 125 ml per minute kidney filters blood through the nephrons. Okay. And the last question is, from where kidney started filtration? Okay. If you likes the video, so you may like it, or any query you may comment, and please subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.